everyone. My name is Mas Maulana, and today I will giving you an explanation about the summary of Sepadan and Ligatan Ispat with Malaysia perspective. But first of all, I will giving you explanation what is the meaning of this both Sepadan and Ligatan. Sepadan and Ligatan as the island when Indonesia and Malaysia claim that our island is their ownership. But the main important point in this part, no one country can able to opt in before God decided with International Court of Justice. And the main point we will discuss about what reason from Indonesia and what the reason of Malaysia. And I'm as a people will giving you explanation with Malaysia perspective can claim and also owner about their island. Okay, this paper talks about the dispute between Indonesia and Malaysia over Sepadan and Ligatan Island. These two small islands are located in Sulawesi. The dispute started when both countries claim ownership of the island. Indonesia say the island belongs to it because of the 1891 agreement between Britain and the Netherlands. Indonesia believed that the borderline, the agreement should continue into the sea, making Sepadan and Ligatan part of the Dutch theory. Since Indonesia become independent from Dutch rule, Indonesia claimed that the island should belong to Indonesia. The main point of Indonesia, they just focus with several arguments. Yeah, there are islands just can climb with historical lines and also with several agreements, but the agreement never giving you explanation where the living proven, whereas the material can we see in this time. The fact Indonesia cannot giving you clear data and they just climb. But it's very different point with Malaysia perspective because Malaysia perspective will giving you several reasons, like example in writing agreement and also can able to giving you the development and analysis with development this island citizen of Malaysia and also the government in Malaysia present in the middle of this dispute between Indonesia and also Malaysia. The main point, Malaysia never admitted Indonesia claim Sepadan and Ligatan is Indonesian part because Malaysia government say Sepadan and Ligatan is a part of Malaysia country because Malaysia can building and also develop their island in same time. Indonesia just focus claim with their fisher can goes to that island, but the main focus, the government of Malaysia claim, yeah, although the Indonesia fishermen come to their island, but the main point in that island, everything like example the building and also etc. just made with Malaysia citizen and from Malaysia government. Malaysia disagree with this agreement. Malaysia said that the 1891 agreement only talk about the land border on Borneo Island and did not mention Sepadan or Ligatan. Therefore, Malaysia argued that the agreement could not be used to decide who owned the island. The main point of this agreement, Malaysia never giving access to Indonesia to claim because Indonesia never giving proven data. The case was brought of the International Court of Justice. The court studied the agreement and evidence from both countries. The judges found that the 1891 agreement did not clearly give the island to either Indonesia or Malaysia. And then the impact, Indonesia and Malaysia, they giving this problem to International Court of Justice. And after Indonesia and Malaysia giving several their proven data and also several their evidence to claim their Sepadan and Ligatan and are their ownership, and the impact the Court of Justice, International Court of Justice giving explanation. Yeah, the Sepadan and Ligitan, the main point is a part of Malaysia because Malaysia can able to giving the proven better than Indonesia because Indonesia just focus with climb and just it's our island, but the Malaysia point with several proven data and also with several legal standing, they can able to proven their arguments better and also can able to proven in deeper from Indonesia argument. And the impact of Sipadan and Ligitan become Malaysia part of nation because we believe in international law is not just about focus to climb but focus how we can able to proven our argumentation with data, with living proven like example citizen and also and etc to present in the middle of this dispute. And why the criminal court of justice very believe with Malaysia and Indonesia because Malaysia giving to us when the island cannot maintain, of course the people or government can able to mine that island can able to be selected and also the owner with this because if we see in national regulation, especially in Indonesia, when government say when people did not maintain their land, of course after 20 years it can able to back to the government. It's same cases with international law. So with our reason, we believe Malaysia is a part of nation, especially Sepadan and Ligitan is a part of nation with Malaysia nation. Thank you.